Okay, here's how to make a Rubik's Cube easy using just blocks. You can use any kind of blocks. I'm just gonna use foam kind. So yeah, let's do it. Get a piece of string about this long so that when you put these two blocks together, it'll be about twice as long as the two blocks. And yeah, you need string about that long. And you also need some tape. So get a piece of tape, line up the corners on these blocks, and then just put them like that. Let's work on one right now. So put this like that. So go like that, and then put it like this, and then get one piece of tape. This time you only need one, and just tape this there like that. Maybe get some scissors and there. Now put that there. And yeah. And yeah, then put this like that. And get the tape. Put that like that. Okay, you're done. Now you're gonna need to make 3 more of those. Since I didn't do this good, I didn't do that good on this one. I already have 4 pre-made. So take 2, put the 2 together like that, then go on the other 2 and put the 2 together like that also. So now they're both like this. Put one on top of the other like that, and then twist. And yeah, you're done.